It's a great day for a drive, especially in this 2014 Dodge Grand Caravan 30th edition in granite crystal metallic, the clear coat finish. It has black leather trim seats, bucket seats up front. Seating in total is 7, and your second row has stow and go. And you have power pedals as well as power sliding doors and power lift gate. There's a 9-inch VGA video screen that comes down in the second row. You also have a reverse camera, and it's really easy to take this vehicle out on a test drive. You can book it online at islandford.ca. It has a 3.6 liter V6 engine. It's paired with an automatic transmission, and it's a front wheel drive. Stay tuned. We're gonna have a look under the hood and inside and out. This is a 3.6 liter V6 engine. It's paired with an automatic transmission and it's a front wheel drive. Let's have a look inside. Speaker in the door, and you have a light down there as well. And there's power locks, windows and mirrors, and venting for the rear mirrors. The driver's seat is powered. The passenger seat is manually adjusted. You've got these nice badged mats on the floor, your lighting controls here. There's your power pedals, and you have controls on the side of the steering wheel as well as on the face. You've got the hands-free and the cruise control. And when we start up the vehicle, you're going to see any important messages, your odometer reading. Here we go. And there's your shifter. In the center, it comes up with the badging for the 30th anniversary with the Uconnect. And let's just turn that volume down. We have AM, FM, as well as satellite radio. And we can load our CD or DVD in there because we do have a video screen, and you'll see that shortly. And we just press that again and it'll close right up. And we have our menu that we can touch on, and you can go back through for different options as well. And when we put the vehicle in reverse, we're going to see our backup camera view. So the green, yellow, red shows us how close we're getting as we're approaching objects when we're going in reverse. Just put us back into park, just makes life a little easier here. There's your auxiliary line and your USB, and you have your air vents here, your dual climate control with your AC, and the rear controls are there. You have your front and rear defrost, econ, as well as hazard lights, the 115 volt power, and traction control. Got little cubbies here with your 12 volt, and you can just close these up. And again, a little cubby there, a couple of cup holders, your armrest, and again, you can close this right up. Both driver and passenger have armrests, and you've got your 2 glove compartments. Up top here, auto dimming, rear view mirror, your lighting controls, sunglass holder, and there's the controls for the doors. So you actually have the controls on your fob as well as here for both sliding doors as well as the rear lift gate, which is very handy. Grab handle in the body, just making it easier to get in. 17-inch wheels, body color door handle, inside view mirror, driver's side fuel cap, and in the back we've got a little bit of a spoiler and a windshield wiper, and just below the first D in Dodge is where your backup camera is located. And you can release that lift gate either inside, or you can double click your fob and it's going to open up easily for you. Now I might not have had my finger right on there. I'm doing it with my left hand. So there we go. And you're seeing the lights flash, so you know it's picked up the signal. You're hearing it chime. And then inside, I've got the 3 seats in the back. It's a 60-40 split. I've got them stowed right into the floor just to show you all this cargo room that you have. And then you can just pull them up and use them as needed. There's cup holders and little bins off to the side, which is really handy. Now, you do have a button on the left-hand side if you want to close it up that way, but you also have handles on the right and left up top. I'm going to use the button. I kind of like using the power buttons. So it's chiming for you to let you know that it's going down. It gave me a moment there to get out of the way, which is really handy. And then when it's down, you can just lock it up and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. The thing about this 30th anniversary minivan is that it has power sliding doors as well as power lift gate. So I can double click the fob for the right side door here, and it'll pop it right open for me. You've seen the grab handle in the body. There's seating for 2 in this row, and these are stow and go seats. So when you pull the mats out from underneath in the front, you can actually stow these seats right into the floor. And they also have armrests on both sides. I've got it flipped up on this seat because we're going to pull the lever and then pop it out of the way. This gives you access to the 3rd row, and right now those seats are flat in the floor, and there's a 60-40 split, so 3 more seats back there with a total seating of 7 in this van. And then just pop the seat back down, flip it up into its upright position, and flip up the headrest. You've also got a screen up top here with controls for climate, and that just pops back into the ceiling. And you have this little console in the center between driver and passenger. There's also hooks And you have lighting. Rear windshield wiper, privacy glass in the back windows, roof rails, adjustable side view mirrors, halogen headlights, fog lights, and so many more reasons to visit us. If you like this video and would like to see more, please subscribe. We have plenty to share with you, and we'd love to hear your comments.